Now, after 81 years overlooking the Greater Cape Town area, the statue of British colonialist and mining magnate Cecil John Rhodes has been removed from its plinth at the University of Cape Town.
UCT students gathered for a mass meeting on campus ahead of the removal. A large media contingent also converged to witness the event. The UCT Council voted overwhelmingly last night to remove it to a safe place, following a series of protests. Students were jubilant to see the statue go.
This is a great step for us as UCT students who are for transformation and who feel that there's certain things that exclude us, that don't welcome us onto the university.
As an American studying here in Cape Town, I find it to be really interesting. We had a transformative moment in this country's history. Back in the States, we're going through our own issues with civil rights in the 21st century, so it's really interesting to be here during this time.
The protest and debate over the statue began a month ago, when a single activist threw human waste on it. It will be stored for safekeeping until the Heritage Western Cape decides where it will go.
Well, that's understandably, this is a story that's created quite a lot of emotion and Twitter traffic. This is what you've been saying at SABC News Online. Let's take a look at some of your thoughts. Lazola says UCT moved swiftly to ensure that hashtag Rhodes has fallen stop turning into a far more transformation at UCT. They acted to avoid real change. Bongi says that the battle for the statue has been won, but what about the war for transformation? Outside Stocktaker says, now that Rhodes has fallen, surely you'll agree that your colonial names must also fall. Home Affairs must be visited. Talking about names, Zanele says, dear South Africans, in celebration of Rhodes Must Fall project, from today I'm dropping hashtag Jimmy. My real name is Mzwanele.